I'm loving it.
Chefy's so fine in this suit. We're gonna make a Big Mac salad. McDonald's, please don't sue us. And then we're gonna get black as the night with some black pepper. Let's Bobby Brown that beef. Normally there aren't tomatoes in Big Macs, but hey, we're adding our own little twists. Getting real cray here. So we're gonna make some delicious homemade croutons. Drizzle that olive oil like Drizzy the Drake. Okay, Mr. Kitty Cat, let's see if these croutons are done. Ooh, nice and crispy. Secret's out, Mickey D's. It's just Thousand Island dressing. Drop it down and get your salad on. We started from the bottom, and now we're here.
You look f***ing gross, but you're pretty good. That's actually pretty good. I usually don't like Big Macs, but that's like, yeah.
I love you because I love pickles and burgers. I think this is healthier.
It's like biting into a burger, but not really at the same time.
It's really good. I've never really liked Big Macs, but this is good.
Yeah, it tastes like a sandwich, but like easier to eat.
I'm a fan of the dressing. Well, I'm not a big fast food eater, but probably something from Taco Bell. McChicken.
Maybe McChicken.
French fries. French fries. If God can make French fries somehow healthy and in salad form, wow.
Bacon hater. A+.
I like your food.
I love pickles.
The Brits like their toast like we like our commenters. Salty. See why we wouldn't eat Marmite ever again. Forget Klondike, you can Choco your own dang tacos. Learn how on Dude Food. This cradle robber ambushes his lady with a gourmet meal. Find out if we cooked up a hookup. Lucky Charms? Check. Nutella? Check. Banana? Sure. Why not? Make this recipe because it's a real serial killer. Subscribe for more free tasted treats.